Welcome back. Canva has templates that you can use in order to cover your published book. You can click on this book cover template and you can go into the blank templates. And when you see here, what you can do is you can filter the templates for what you want it to be. Now you are going to filter for language and you can do a keyword search. Once you find a book template that you think you want to use, you can click on that book template and you can make it here in this area. Now in this case, once you have made your edits, what you may want to do is you may want to duplicate the page so that you can create a back cover for your book. What you'll want to do here is you'll then want to click share and then you'll want to download your template. Now in most cases, when you are publishing to Amazon Kindle, you're going to want to use the PDF standard. However, you can use some of the other templates here that Canva has available to you. If you were going to write more than one book, you can use the download settings. And in some cases, it makes sense to flatten out the PDF for the sake of uploading to Kindle. What we're now going to do is to download our template. And your PDF form is then ready to be used with your published book. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.